Hey techies, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe InCopy on your PC or Mac without paying anything upfront. If you're working with writers and designers on the same projects, Adobe InCopy is the perfect tool for smooth collaboration. It allows you to simultaneously work on the same document, track changes, and manage versions. You can experience all these features for free with a 7-day trial. Just click the link in the description to go directly to the official Adobe InCopy trial page and follow along with these simple steps. Once you're on the page, click to start your free trial. Just go ahead and choose the individual plan to begin your 7-day free Adobe trial. If you want more value, add Adobe Stock for a bonus 7-day trial and 10 free assets. Perfect for creative projects. Even if you cancel, you keep all 10. That's free content, no strings. Next, sign in with your Adobe account, or create one if you don't already have it. It only takes a minute. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. Be sure to set a reminder so you don't forget. If you decide not to continue with Adobe InCopy, you can easily cancel your trial through your Adobe account settings. Once your trial is activated, you'll be guided through a simple installation process. You'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud Desktop app, where you'll manage your Adobe applications. After installing Creative Cloud, find Adobe InCopy in the list, click Install, and let it do its thing. It may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you can open Adobe InCopy and start using it immediately. And that's it. You now have Adobe InCopy installed and ready to use, completely free for the next 7 days. Whether you're working on editorial content, magazine layouts, or collaborating with a designer using InDesign, this is your chance to explore all that InCopy has to offer. Click the link in the description to start your free trial now and follow the steps from this video. Don't miss this opportunity to explore Adobe InCopy for free. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more guides like this, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Do you have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.